Hello everyone and welcome to my channel OptionsTraderToday. So today in this video I will tell you how the price of crude has moved in the last week and how the price of crude can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of crude, what you can see since 2004 we have seen an upside. After we have seen a sharp fall. Okay, after this particular range has moved upside, and this is the range, first, second, third phase. Okay, after that we have seen again at a fourth phase a downfall. From there we have seen a range, fifth phase, and now we have seen an uptrend. Okay, if you look at the chart, see a same pattern is forming: second, fourth downfall, a range, okay, and this uptrend, and now we are seeing again an uptrend here. If you look at the range, okay, now what you can see looking at the chart, see, suppose if the price sustain this particular level, what we can see, it can go and touch a level of 107.69. okay, suppose if it sustain a level of 106, then we can see it can touch a level of 107.69. okay, 107.69 if this particular level sustain. Okay, suppose if the price goes above this level, then we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 109.77. will sustain 107.65, we can see a level of 109.77. okay, and suppose, and these levels are already being tested here twice, 109.77. okay, and from there we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 112.55. okay, again I repeat, suppose before that if you have any doubt regarding crude or any other position, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com or a mail ID I have given in the description. Please watch the full video, then you will understand how this technical in crude and other commodities and forex are working. And if you wish to join my Telegram channel, link I have given in the description, you can join. Okay, see, now suppose if the price sustain above this level, then we can see a level of 109.77, and from there we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 112.55. suppose if the price goes above this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 114.633. okay, and from there we can see it can go further upside once this particular range, because this is the range where it has moved for a longer time, we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 118.10. okay, so it has to sustain above a level of 114.63, then only we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 118.79. okay, and once this particular level sustain, we can see it can go further upside towards a level of 127. after 118 we can see a level of 127, and from there we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 135. okay, and then we can see it can move further upside. okay, so keep this in mind. If it sustain above level of 114, we can see a level of 118, and then 127, and then from there we can see it can make a new high also. But suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, what we can see, suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, we can see it can fall towards a level of 106.3, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 102.83. okay, suppose if the price goes below this level, then we can see a level 100.75, and from there we can see a level of 97.98. suppose if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 93.82, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 91.73. suppose if the price goes below this level, then we can see a level of 88.96. okay, once if it goes below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 86.8. suppose if the price goes below this level, then we can see it can touch a level of 77.86. okay, understand one thing, 85 is a strong support, 77 is a strong support, 65 is a strong support. okay, again I repeat, suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, we can see it can touch a level of 101.45, and from there we can see a level of 97.98. suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level also, then we can see it can fall further towards a level of 91.73. okay, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 89.65. suppose if the price goes below this level, then we can see a level of 86.88. okay, and from there we can see it can fall further low towards a level of 82.71. suppose if the price didn't sustain that level also, then we can see a level of 75.78, which is a very strong support. okay, and 88 is also a very strong support. If it goes below level of 88, then we can see it can touch a level of 85. okay, then if it goes below this level, then we can see a level of 80.63, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 77. And once if it goes below a level of 77, then we can see it can touch a level of 68 also, and from there we can see it can fall further towards a level of 63. Okay, and once if it goes below 63, then we can see it can come down to level of 54 also, which is also a strong support, and then we can see further low. Understand one thing, if you are trading, okay, and if you are trading, understand it's a process and it is risky. Okay, so you have to follow certain rules. Okay, then only you can be profitable in this particular range. If you're greedy, if you are not following particular rules, set of rules, the probability of losing will be very high. Okay, so what I teach in my workshop, sometime I'll give you a glimpses of it. See, look at, if you are trading with $10,000, try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade. Okay, and risk should be per trade will be 0.5 to 1%, that is around $50 to $100. So you know your risk is $100 max per trade, that is $500. Okay, suppose you lose $500 all 5 trades, okay, then it will not be a burden for you to recover the amount in the next day. You can focus more on the profit next day rather than recovering this amount. What people do mostly, they try to lose, in order to recover the amount they lose 5,000, 2,000, which on the next day they try to recover, and for recovering that particular amount they lose the whole capital. Okay, this is what I teach in my workshop. If you want to attend that workshop, you can mail me regarding this and we can work out on it how we can do it. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please go a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.